Establishment of Geomatics Center at Jannaram Division, Kaval Tiger Reserve. A field-based initiative for technology-driven forest and wildlife management. The Geomatics Center at Jannaram Division was established using the available resources and existing spatial data with the objective of strengthening the application of geospatial technology in forest protection, wildlife management, habitat improvement, and monitoring activities. The Geomatics Center was formally inaugurated by the Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, PCCF, on December 2019 in the presence of other senior officers and staff members, marking an important step toward modernizing forest management practices in the division. Capacity building of field staff. A major focus of the initiative has been capacity building of field staff. Training programs were conducted to equip officers and staff with practical knowledge in handling GIS applications, spatial data management, MStripes data processing, and digital mapping. The objective was to enable the staff to carry out their daily technical works independently without relying on external support. To facilitate continuous learning and execution of work, exclusive computer systems were allocated to the staff at the GIS center. The facility remains available round the clock, allowing staff members to prepare maps, process data, and generate reports as per operational requirements of the field staff on daily basis. Major activities undertaken at the Geomatics Center. The field staffs are actively utilizing the center for a variety of forest and wildlife management activities, including preparation of grassland maps, mapping of soil and moisture conservation (SMC) structures, identification and plotting of fire points and fire lines, downloading and processing MStripes patrol data, management and processing of camera trap data, entry and compilation of PIP pressure impression pad data, preparation and documentation of beat registers, preparation of thematic maps for monitoring and planning purposes. Role of division-level operators. The division-level GIS operators play a crucial role in integrating and managing the data generated from various field activities. They are responsible for downloading, compiling, validating, and organizing spatial and monitoring data received from different ranges and beats. Using the Geomatics Center, the operators prepare monitoring reports for all ongoing activities, creation of maps for suitable sites for soil and moisture structures, SMC, tiger monitoring reports on daily basis, night patrolling of the staff reports, foot patrolling summaries and data analysis maps, fire lines monitoring maps, fire points analysis and monitoring maps, grasslands for habitat management maps, wildlife monitoring support reports, smuggling routes analysis and maps, plantations and other activities maps, PIP data-based analysis and maps for wildlife management, maps for the forest roads formation. These outputs provide valuable technical support for the management of forest protection and wildlife conservation activities in the division. Data management and digital archiving. One of the key achievements of the Geomatics Center is the systematic digital archiving and management of geospatial and field data. All spatial information and monitoring data generated through various field activities are organized, archived, and securely stored in a centralized digital repository for future reference, analysis, and decision-making. Impact of the Geomatics Center. The establishment of the Geomatics Center has resulted in significant operational improvements. Enhanced technical capacity of field staff. Increased efficiency in data processing and reporting. Faster preparation of maps and monitoring reports. Improved accuracy of field information. Better coordination between field staff and management. Strengthened support for protection and wildlife monitoring. Improved decision-making by the Forest Divisional Officer. Geomatics technology will significantly improve the overall efficiency, transparency, speed, and data transfer capabilities of the division, thereby enabling the Forest Divisional Officer to effectively monitor, plan, and manage all activities in a more systematic and informed manner. The author expresses sincere gratitude to the senior officers and the field staff of Jannaram Division for their unwavering commitment, dedication, and sincerity in adopting geomatics technology in their day-to-day activities.